Before starting any hormonal birth control, your body deserves a proper evaluation. In this lecture, we will discuss the essential medical checks every woman must request to ensure safety, effectiveness, and long-term health. So let us discuss about the essential medical checks you must request before starting new hormonal birth control. Introduction. Hormonal contraception is one of the most widely used and effective reversible methods of pregnancy prevention worldwide. It includes a variety of options such as combined oral contraceptive pills, progestin-only pills, injectable contraceptives, transdermal patches, and subdermal implants. These methods primarily work by suppressing ovulation, thickening cervical mucus to prevent sperm penetration, and altering the endometrium to reduce implantation chances. However, despite their effectiveness, hormonal contraceptives are not universally suitable. Each individual has a unique medical profile, and improper use without prior assessment can lead to serious complications. Therefore, initiating hormonal birth control should always be preceded by careful clinical evaluation. Why medical checks matter? Medical screening before starting hormonal contraception is not just a formality, it is a critical safety step. Certain contraceptives, especially those containing estrogen, can increase the risk of serious complications such as venous thromboembolism, stroke, and myocardial infarction, particularly in high-risk individuals. Through proper evaluation, healthcare providers can identify absolute contraindications, conditions where contraceptives must not be used, and relative contraindications where caution is required. Additionally, screening helps reduce adverse drug reactions and ensures better patient adherence by selecting a method tailored to the individual's needs and lifestyle. Detailed medical history. A comprehensive medical history is the cornerstone of safe contraceptive use. Personal history should include chronic conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, thyroid disorders, and cardiovascular diseases. Special attention must be given to migraines, particularly those with aura. Family history is equally important, especially for inherited clotting disorders or hormone-sensitive cancers like breast cancer. Gynecological history provides insights into menstrual irregularities, underlying conditions such as PCOS or endometriosis, and previous pregnancy outcomes. Lastly, understanding prior contraceptive use helps identify patterns of intolerance, side effects, or adherence issues, guiding better decision-making. Blood pressure check. Blood pressure measurement is a mandatory step before initiating hormonal contraception, particularly combined oral contraceptives containing estrogen. Estrogen can activate the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, leading to increased blood pressure. In women with pre-existing hypertension, this can significantly increase the risk of stroke and cardiovascular events. Therefore, patients must be categorized appropriately, and estrogen-containing contraceptives should be avoided in those with uncontrolled hypertension. BMI and weight assessment. Body mass index plays a significant role in contraceptive safety and effectiveness. Obesity is associated with an increased risk of venous thromboembolism, especially when combined with estrogen-containing contraceptives. Additionally, the pharmacokinetics of certain contraceptives may be altered in obese individuals, potentially reducing effectiveness. In such cases, long-acting reversible contraceptives like implants or intrauterine systems may be preferred. Blood tests. Routine blood tests are not required for every individual, but they become essential in high-risk patients. Blood glucose testing helps identify undiagnosed diabetes, while lipid profiles assess cardiovascular risk. Liver function tests are particularly important because hormonal contraceptives are metabolized in the liver. Any impairment can alter drug levels and increase toxicity. Thyroid function may also be evaluated in selected cases. Screening for blood clot risk. One of the most critical assessments before starting hormonal birth control is evaluating the risk of blood clots. Estrogen increases the production of clotting factors, which can predispose individuals to venous thromboembolism. A history of deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, or inherited thrombophilia such as factor V-laden mutation significantly increases risk. Smoking, especially in women over 35, further amplifies this risk and is considered a major contraindication. Migraine evaluation. Migraine assessment is a crucial step before prescribing hormonal contraceptives. Migraines without aura may allow cautious use of certain contraceptives. However, migraines with aura represent a strict contraindication for estrogen-containing contraceptives. This is because estrogen significantly increases the risk of ischemic stroke in such individuals. Symptoms of aura may include visual disturbances like flashing lights, blind spots, or sensory symptoms such as tingling. Identifying these features is essential before initiating therapy. Liver health check. The liver plays a central role in metabolizing hormonal contraceptives. In patients with liver disease, drug metabolism may be impaired, leading to accumulation and increased side effects. Conditions such as active hepatitis, cirrhosis, or hepatic tumors are major contraindications to hormonal contraceptive use. Therefore, liver function must always be considered before initiating therapy. Breast health evaluation. Hormonal contraceptives can influence breast tissue, making breast health evaluation important. In patients with current breast cancer, hormonal contraceptives are contraindicated due to the risk of tumor stimulation. In those with a past history, careful evaluation and specialist consultation may be required before prescribing. Medication review. A thorough medication review is essential before starting hormonal contraceptives. Certain drugs, especially enzyme inducers like rifampicin, phenytoin, and carbamazepine, increase the metabolism of contraceptive hormones. This reduces their effectiveness and increases the risk of unintended pregnancy. In such cases, alternative or additional contraceptive methods should be recommended. Lifestyle assessment. Lifestyle plays a significant role in determining contraceptive safety. Smoking is one of the most critical risk factors, especially in women above 35 using estrogen-containing contraceptives. Alcohol can indirectly affect liver metabolism, while a sedentary lifestyle increases cardiovascular risk. A holistic lifestyle assessment helps in minimizing complications and improving overall outcomes. Choosing the right method. Choosing the right contraceptive method is a personalized decision based on multiple factors including age, medical conditions, and lifestyle. Healthcare providers often use standardized tools like WHO medical eligibility criteria to guide safe selection. The goal is to balance efficacy, safety, and patient preference. Red flags when not to start. Certain conditions make hormonal contraceptives unsafe and must be strictly avoided. These include uncontrolled hypertension, previous thromboembolic events, migraine with aura, hormone-sensitive cancers, and severe liver disease. Identifying these red flags is essential to prevent life-threatening complications. Follow-up and monitoring. Follow-up is a crucial part of contraceptive care. Initial follow-up is typically done within 3 months to assess tolerance and side effects. Long-term monitoring includes blood pressure checks, adherence evaluation, and reassessment of risk factors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video made things clearer and helped you understand why medical checks are so important before starting hormonal birth control. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more such informative content.